The return of the Toyota Land Cruiser to the North American market is eagerly anticipated, with reports suggesting that it will be the Land Cruiser Prado that makes its debut. Here's a breakdown of what we know about the upcoming Land Cruiser Prado. Set to premiere in 2024, the Land Cruiser Prado will likely arrive as a 2025 model in the US market. It will share many components with the latest Lexus GX and will be based on the same TNGA-F architecture, which also underpins the Lexus LX and the Toyota Land Cruiser 300, Tundra, and Sequoia. This platform will make the Land Cruiser Prado a body-on-frame SUV, ideal for tackling challenging terrains. With its body-on-frame construction, the Land Cruiser Prado will be well equipped to handle steep slopes and muddy trails. Expect features such as a low-range gearbox, dedicated driving modes, and optional accessories like steel bumpers, winches, snorkels, trail lights, and underbody protection to enhance its off-road prowess. While specific details about the powertrain are yet to be confirmed, speculation suggests that the twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine from the Lexus GX could be a strong contender. Producing 349 horsepower and 479 pounds-to-foot of torque in the GX, this engine could provide ample power for the Land Cruiser Prado. Alternatively, an electrified V6 or diesel engine may be offered for overseas markets. Regardless of the engine choice, all versions are expected to come with a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. While details about the design are still under wraps, CGI renderings based on the Lexus GX provide a glimpse of what the Land Cruiser Prado could look like. Expect a more traditional grille, distinctive headlamps, chunky tires, vertical taillights, and Toyota emblems throughout. While the final design may vary, these renderings offer an early indication of the SUV's aesthetic direction. As the Land Cruiser Prado progresses through development, more information about its features, specifications, and availability in the North American market will likely emerge. Enthusiasts can look forward to a capable and versatile SUV that continues the Land Cruiser legacy of off-road excellence.